Hi everybody, I'm Chad Boonder, also known as the male kindergarten teacher, and today I'm going to share with you some fun and engaging worksheet-free math activities that you can do with your students in your classroom or with your children at home. The first activity involves these hanging monkeys. This activity can be played between two students or an adult and a child. What you'll do is you'll put a variety of different colored monkeys in the center of the table. You'll need a sand timer, and when it's time to start, you'll flip over the sand timer, and each player will have to race one another to see how many monkeys they can hang from their strand without any of them falling off. When the timer runs out, each player will stop, count how many monkeys they have in their strand, and then compare those numbers using the terms greater than or less than. The next activity that I have includes these marker mats that you can often find online. I use my Silhouette Cameo to cut out vinyl, and I place on one side a 10 frame with some counters, and then on the other side I place a dice showing a various amount on it. This is great for subitizing, so students are able to recognize right away what number is on each side. What you'll do is you'll place these in your classroom on the floor, and you'll tell your students, please go to the mat that has the number 2 on it. Students will have to hop from mat to mat until they end up on the mat that either shows 2 on a dice form or die form or in a 10 frame form. So this gets them thinking quickly, thinking what it looks like on a 10 frame, and then also what it looks like on a die as well. So these are some great activities that you can do with your classroom. I'd love to hear some of the activities that you do in your classroom as well that really promote worksheet-free math activities with your students.